Today, our nation is observing the 67th anniversary of the landmark Supreme Court ruling Brown versus the Board of Education. It's the case that said school segregation was unconstitutional. Among those who propelled the case to the Supreme Court, black students from the state of Delaware.
This is a beautiful day.
Celebrating the Supreme Court case that proclaims separate is not equal. Today, leaders from Delaware gathered in Hockessin to commemorate the U.S. Supreme Court's decision in Brown versus the Board of Education of Topeka. But Topeka, Kansas was not the only city at the forefront of this landmark case. In 1950, Shirley Beulah was forced to walk 2 miles to and from Hockessin Colored School number 107. Her parents wrote to Delaware's governor asking for transportation.
This is a copy of the letter.
2 years later, Chancellor Colin Seitz declared that separate African-American schools offered inferior educational opportunities when compared to white schools. He ordered the desegregation of schools in Hockessin.
This ruling was the first instance in which a lower court ruled in favor of the plaintiff.
This decision, made in Delaware, setting the stage for a nationwide change. Shirley Beulah from Hockessin plus 8 students from Claymont, Delaware, combined with 4 other cases to become the landmark Brown versus Board of Education Supreme Court case.
Separating the races in our country by law, forcing people to go to different schools, live in different neighborhoods, go to different movie theaters, drink from different fountains, is simply reinforcing this founding sin of white supremacy.
Hockessin Colored School number 107 is now becoming a permanent part of black history.
And so the effort that you are making here is bigger than just this one school. It is for all of us.
It's being transformed into a center for diversity, inclusion, and social equity. Those who attended the school when it was still segregated, emotional at how far we've come and how much further we need to go.
We're going to walk through the door. We're going to crawl through the door. We might even go through the door on a cart. I'm sorry. But we're going through that door.
All right. Governor Carney also made a proclamation today making May 17th Brown v. Board of Education Day in the state of Delaware. Jess?